Hey, this is Kayla from 9CI. Thanks for clicking. Today we did a little experiment using our Safe and Sound Pro meter. For those of you that are super into techie, nerdy stuff, you're really going to love it. And if you would like, we also do a podcast, so feel free to subscribe to that. We're on SoundCloud, and enjoy. For this video, we are using the Safe and Sound Pro RF meter to do a RF heat map of our local area. We've connected an audio cable to a smartphone. We will show you how to make this adapter later in the video. We'll be using Physics Toolbox Suite to measure the data. So when you open the app, you go into multi-record and click sound meter and GPS, and as soon as you hit the plus button, it will start recording. Thanks for sticking with us. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our page. Also, visit us at www.9ci.ca. Thank you.